Oh my God, Dana, you're so pangit. As in, you're so pangit, Dana.
Oh my gosh! Are you weird? What are you saying? It's ugly.
Madam Tonyang. Hi Box, magandang Tonyang. It's me, Madam Tonyang, and welcome back to my channel. Another day, another vlog, and for today's vlog, today is Christmas Day. So, nandito kami ngayon sa bahay ni Ate. Ate Dang at ni Kuya Mel. Hi Kuya.
Punta tayo sa taas.
Ayan, so nandito kami ngayon para mag-samgyup. Inimbitahan niya kami para mag-samgyup. Ayan. Titikman natin ang kanilang mga Christmas bonus, mga 13-month pay. Ayan.
Hindi pa tapos.
Halika dito, Melis. Ay, Dana.
Dana.
Hi! Anak ni Ate Dayan at ni Kuya Mel, pamangkin ko. Say hi. Hi, mga box.
Si Milis vlogger yan.
Oh, say hi, mga box. Hi, mga box.
Hi mga bag.
Hi, mga box. Oh, gawa ka ng YouTube channel mo. Gusto mo? Bakit ayaw mo? I-post mo dun yung mga TikTok videos mo. Ito, tignan mo. Yan, yan. Sabihin mo, Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yung magandang accent. Merry Christmas. American accent. So, i-update namin kayo mamaya pagkatapos magluto. Tapos, kakain. Bye! Hi, Box! So, we're back at naisipan namin na dito kami sa loob muna ng bahay nila mag-vlog kasi gusto ng aking mga pamangkin yan. Pamangkin ko, what's your name?
Melis.
Melis,
Arba.
Arba, and Dana. Yan, bakit yung hawak mong 100? Saan mo nakuha yan? Nanalo siya ng parlor games kanina na stop dance. So today, magkakaroon tayo ng challenge which is the English Challenge. So, walang magsasalita ng Tagalog or Ilocano. So, today we will be having a room tour. What?
It's so hot here.
Yeah, it's so hot here. Yeah.
Go in the room.
Oh, let's go in the room. Let's go. Okay. You house tour me. Okay. So this is the room of... Whose room is this?
Melis and Dana.
Melis and Dana. Wow, it's so very pink. Okay, it's so hot.
Yeah, so hot.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay. What are we going to do today is what? What will we gonna do?
Power and doom.
Oh my God! Disclaimer, guys. I am not good in English, but I will try for what?
What did you I am not good.
Why? It's wrong grammaring.
Yeah. Did you just say Tagalog?
No, I didn't spoke in Tagalog.
I just heard you.
Oh, you just heard me? Huh? Oh, why are you staring me like that? Am I stareable?
No.
No. Am I lookable?
No.
No, but I am pretty. Isn't it? What? Okay.
You have
Okay.
water in your face.
Yes, I have water in my face because what is this?
Sweat. Sweat.
Nah, this is not sweat.
Sweat.
Yeah, yes, this is sweat. So, who owns this one? That one?
Mine.
The two?
No.
Oh, who
This
owns?
is for me and this is for her.
Yan, okay. So, we will put this camera here and you sit here, then let's talk.
On the fan.
Yes, you turn on the electric fan. Yan. Okay. Okay, you sit down here. Say hi mga box again.
Wait. Did you say Tagalog word? The
Electric fan. What is the English of electric fan?
Fan. It's a fan. It's a fan. You speak Tagalog.
No, okay, you sit down here. Okay,
wow.
I will interview you. Come here.
Okay.
Okay. First, I will interview Melis. Dana, what's your name? What is your complete name?
Dana Carmela Seabrooks.
Wow! Are you face in front? So basically mga box, I don't know how to speak in in English. So basically, they are So basically, you sit down
It's
So
okay.
basically, they are my niece. Oh, what is niece in Tagalog? What is niece in Tagalog?
I don't know what is niece in Tagalog.
Oh my-
English speaking.
Oh my god. Niece is tuhod. So you are my tuhod. Am I correct?
No.
Oh, what then?
Did you just talk to Tagalog?
No, I'm just talking Tagalog.
It's a Barbie doll. Barbie
Okay, you speak in front of the camera. What is this toy? Then you explain
A
how to play this one. A dollhouse.
What house?
What about the anong meron sa dollhouse na yan?
I don't know what you're speaking
Oh
about.
my.
You open it and this is a picture and this is a sticker.
Here you show the camera like that. Okay, this is
I
the
know it.
Okay, this is the
And this is the bed. And
The?
this is the bed.
bed. Okay, what is this? This
This is a couch for a Barbie.
this is not a couch.
It's a couch.
Oh,
It's a couch for a Barbie.
it
It has a Barbie.
no, that is not a couch. That is a sofa.
Yeah.
Oh.
What did you just say?
I-
I didn't know what they're saying.
Oh
Wait.
my God, you're so
It's a
multitude.
sofa
Are you
or-
multitude?
Couch. It's a couch. So guys, it's a couch. I cannot.
What are you talking about? Okay, let's acting. You're so pangit.
Oh my God! What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? And I don't know what you're saying. It's ugly. I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, now you sit here, Melis. You face in front of the camera. Okay, let's do acting 101. I'll teach you how to act. Okay, if I say you're pangit, you should whatever. Okay. Oh my God, Dana, you're so pangit. As in, you're so pangit, Dana.
Oh my gosh! Are you weird? What are you saying? It's ugly.
Okay. You're so ugly. You're so ugly, Dana. Duh.
You even have brace. Brace is not so good.
You speak louder.
Your brace is God! What are you saying? Yeah.
I'm screaming. I'm not talking.
You want me to push you again?
No. Don't push me. That's bad. Okay. Let's do acting 102. 102.
102?
Okay. Acting 102. Let's lights. Let's say lights, camera, action in 3, 2, 1. Lights, camera, action. Bendita! Bendita! Bakit mo ako iniwan, Bendita? It's so hot here. It's so very hot.
Let's go outside. It's very hot. Can you please on the... I thought we're gonna tour.
Thor? What is Thor?
You didn't know a tour?
Yes, house tour.
No,
No.
tour.
Okay, you tour. Oh, you get the
You didn't know a tour? So let's tour.
Are you multitude? You're so multitude, Dana.
You're so weird. What are you saying?
I'm not weird. I'm pretty. I'm just pretty.
You're like a weirdo.
No. Okay, let's end this vlog na.
Come on.
Okay, let's end this vlog na. Come here na. It's so very hot here.
Smell.
I don't want to talk in English na. My nose is already bleeding.
So, you're so fat. Look at yourself.
Oh my God. Guys, pinagtutulungan na ako dito. Okay, let's end this vlog na. It's so very hot here. Okay. Say...
Let's end it. Yeah.
Okay, quiet na. Okay, English challenge will stop in 3, 2, 1, go! So, dyan na nga po nagtatapos ang ating vlog for today. Kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, mag-share, and mag-subscribe! Yes! Once again, i-share nyo na rin po pala para ipalaganap natin ang kasiyahan sa mga malulungkot dyan kahit...
Follow niyo siya sa TikTok.
I don't have TikTok but my niece has. Ha? Basta meron silang TikTok. You promote your TikTok. What is your name there?
Febby Aiden 25.
Febby Aiden 25. You?
Arva Gaitero 28.
Arva Gaitero 28. You? Dana Carmela 26. So, i-follow nyo sila guys. Madami silang TikTok. Magagaling silang mag-TikTok. So, once again, this is Allah! You're so bad. So, once again guys, this is Madam Tonyang na nagsasabi. Ouch! Ay, let's stop na. Pinagtutulungan ako ng mga pamangkin ko. Pero love na love nila ako. Okay, love nyo ba ako? Oo. Love nyo ako?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so funny. Am I pretty?
Yes.
Yes. Am I beautiful?
Yes.
Okay. Sinabi nyo yan. May video ako. Paglaki nyo, pag sinabi.
Beautiful and pretty is the same. It's same.
Yeah, I know. So once again, this is Madam Tonyang na nag-iwan ng isang katagamula kay Zenaida Seba na hindi hawak ng mga bituin ng ating kapalaran. Gabay lamang sila. Meron tayong free will. Gamitin natin ito. So yun na nga po.
Free.
So yun na nga po, itutuloy na namin yung kainan doon sa labas. Biglaan lang kaming nag-vlog kasi nga gusto ng mga bata, di ba? Para mapanood nyo yung video nyo sa YouTube. Okay, sabihin nyo, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, Madam Tonyang. 1, 3, 2, 1, and like and subscribe, Madam Tonyang. Bye!
Isa na to. Merry Christmas! Grabe naman focus.
House of Ate Jack. Ayun Kuya Mel. Hi! Merry Christmas!